Ankle block is a regional anesthesia technique that blocks the 5 nerves supplying the foot. It is commonly used for surgeries on the forefoot, toes, or minor procedures on the foot. The nerve which are involved in ankle block are 1. Tibial nerve, 2. Deep peroneal, fibular nerve, 3. Superficial peroneal, fibular nerve, 4. Sural nerve, 5. Saphenous nerve. Equipment: sterile globes, antiseptic solution, 5 mg syringes with 25 needle. The following local anesthetics are used: lidocaine 1%, bupivacaine 0.25 to 0.5%, and ropivacaine. Total volume 20 to 30 mg. Technique: step by step. 1. Patient position: supine, foot slightly elevated and supported, ankle exposed and disinfected. 2. Nerve injections: A. Posterior tibial nerve. Palpate posterior tibial artery, posterior to medial malleolus. Insert needle just posterior to the artery. Advance until bone is felt. Withdraw slightly. Inject 3 to 5 mg local anesthetic. B. Deep peroneal nerve. Palpate dorsalis pedis artery, between extensor hallucis longus and extensor digitorum longus tendons on dorsum of foot. Insert needle lateral to artery. Advance until bone is touched. Withdraw slightly. Inject 2 to 3 mg. C. Superficial peroneal nerve, found subcutaneously on dorsum of foot. Infiltrate subcutaneous ring block from lateral to medial malleolus across anterior ankle. Inject 5 to 10 mg. D. Sural nerve, located behind lateral malleolus, lateral side of foot. Infiltrate subcutaneously behind lateral malleolus. Inject 3 to 5 mg. A. Saphenous nerve, medial side of anklefoot. Subcutaneous infiltration anterior to medial malleolus. Inject 3 to 5 mg. Complications: vascular puncture, hematoma, local anesthetic, systemic toxicity if large dose intravascularly, nerve injury rare, infection at puncture site. Key points: always aspirate before injecting to avoid intravascular injection. Use multiple small injections instead of one large bolus. One sit, 10 to 20 minutes. Duration depends on drug: bupivacaine 4 to 8 hours,